Going down hard like a waterfall.
Hi, my name is Alina Kuznetsova and I live as an expat in United Arab Emirates, but originally I'm from Russia. I have taken the fundamentals of cooking course on the 21st May 2018. But I can't tell you that I'm not happy with the place where I live. I find Arabic nature so eye-catching, even it has less colors in its palette, only sandy tones of the desert and local architecture, and deep blue waters of the sea. That's why I've decided to inspire by the local traditions and cuisine and abundance of colors that I missed. For the first course I've chosen hummus, 3 ways: pistachio and kale, red pepper and beetroot. With seeded crackers it has all the crunchy, salty satisfaction of a chip and comfort and bright texture of hummus. In this recipe I've used broiling technique for the pepper one and made from the scratch seeded crackers using the most known Arabic spice za'atar. For the second course I've chosen lentil salad, eggplant, mango cubes, raspberry and spicy pecans. So what did I learn through the recipe testing process? Of course, taste is the most important factor, but some of the pleasure we all have in enjoying the food we eat is how it's presented. We always consider the appearance of a dish, whether it be the color of a sauce or the cut of the vegetable. Small subtle changes can make a big difference. For the third course I've chosen mamu, an ancient Arab dessert-filled cookie made with dates or nuts. It is traditional dessert that usually made a few days before Eid, religious holiday. So it reflects moment of culture that inspires me for the menu. In this recipe I've made oat and nut crust and filled it with young dates, so I can call it seasonal.